In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Upwork account. We'll be walking step by step through the entire process, so whether you're a business client or a freelancer looking to expand your opportunities, you'll be well prepared to get started on Upwork by the end of this guide. To begin, let's head over to the Upwork website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in upwork.com. Once the website loads, you'll see an option to sign up in the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to begin your registration process. When you're at the sign up page, you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to join as a client or a freelancer. This decision depends on your needs. If you're looking to hire others for projects, you'll select the client option. If you're seeking freelance work, choose the freelancer path. For the sake of this guide, let's go ahead and focus on creating a freelancer account. So click on I'm a freelancer. Once you've chosen the freelancer option, you'll need to click on Apply as a freelancer to proceed. This is where your personal details will come into play. You'll be asked to enter your first name followed by your last name. It's important to use your real name here as it will be a part of your professional profile on the platform. Next, you'll input your email address. Make sure it's one you have easy access to, as you'll need to verify your account later. After your email, you'll create a password. Keep in mind, a strong password is essential to protect your account. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. The next field will ask for your country. Just select your country from the drop-down menu, ensuring it's the place where you are currently residing or conducting most of your work. Before you hit the Create My Account button, you'll see a section regarding the Upwork user agreement. Make sure you read through the agreement carefully. It's always a good idea to be fully aware of the terms and conditions you're agreeing to when joining any platform. If you agree, check the respective box. Now you're ready to click on Create My Account. Once you initiate this process, Upwork will send a verification email to the address you provided. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folder to find it. All you need to do is follow the instructions in that email to verify and activate your account. And with that, you've successfully created an Upwork account. You're now part of a global platform that connects clients and freelancers from all around the world, opening up a world of opportunities to grow your professional network and skills.